Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are fine now. Welcome back to another update video of the Pancakeswap. My friends, in this video I'm going to predicate the Pancakeswap 2021 price. What will be the price of Pancakeswap in 2021, my friends? So before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friend, first of all, you can see here that today now it is July and 13.96 USD dollar is the current price of the Pancakeswap. So my friends, you can see here that other side you can see if we talk about the changes of the Pancakeswap price. So every day the Pancakeswap price start increasing. The price of Pancakeswap increasing day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. The last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is positive, last 1 week changes is positive. So this means that the Pancakeswap is in the pumping mood, my friends, and I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occur in the Pancakeswap, my friends. Let's see the price chart of the Pancakeswap. Oh, absolutely a huge pump occur in a Pancakeswap after 20 July, my friends. After 20 July, 21, 22, 23 July is the pumping days. You can see a positive 10.8% changes occur in the Pancakeswap. So my friends, if this kind of changes continue in a Pancakeswap to the last of 2021, so I hope that they can easily hit a 30 USD dollar. 30 USD dollar is my target for a Pancakeswap. If they continue this kind of changes to the last of 2021, so the price will be 30 USD dollar, my friends. What you think about that? Tell me your opinion, tell me your prediction about Pancakeswap in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.